We are very proud to be here in Sydney for the inauguration of the new Biesse Group Campus, a campus that is 5,000 square meters with 2,000 square meters of showroom with the state-of-the-art of the Biesse Group technology. Our history in this region of the world started in the 80s. As a matter of fact, I think this is the only region where a CNC is called Biesse, identifying with the brand the type of product. This inauguration is a very special one, since it's happening in the celebrations of our 50th anniversary of the foundations of the Biesse Group. This is the best way to celebrate our customers and to confirm our commitment to the market. Our Sydney campus is the third largest in the world, a campus focused in training for both our employees and customers. This is more than just a showroom, it's a training facility for our customers and our employees. But let's leave the final word to Michael.
Thank you, Federico. And now that the Biesse Oceania showroom is now open, we look forward to welcoming a lot more customers. Showcase our machinery. We've got 2,000 square meters of machines which is available for customers to come and see. We have a great range of Biesse, Intermark and Diamond products here to show all our customers. We have lots of options for training your employees. We have lots of options to ensure that you get the best use of our machinery to take it to the next level. This includes the latest technology in S.p.a, which we believe is a real game changer for customers to see how they can see spare parts, how we can see their machinery in action and predict exactly when things may happen. Ultimately, we're here to service customers. We want to ensure that you guys get the best out of everything we have to offer to really take it to the next level. We really look forward to welcoming you here so you can really live the Biesse experience. Please follow us on social media, talk to your local representatives, and we really look forward to seeing you here very soon.